Oh yes, Dr. Dori Reyes of Calapan Oriental Mindoro and our group over there. Thank you to Betsy and Martin. And of course to our good friends in Frigo Jeans, the employees there. Frigo Jeans and Wrangler Jeans. Yes, Wrangler. Very famous jeans actually. Well, thank you very much, and try to visit Hot Pot Restaurant. It's at the second floor of Metro Ponte Center in Pigibara in San Juan. Nice, good Chinese food over there. Okay? Thank you very much, and we shall now give you the blessing. The Lord bless you and keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord look upon you in kindness and give you peace. Amen.
Lord, you gave man the ability to travel with ease through transport facilities such as this vehicle I'm now driving. You promised to guide me along the right path, and God will command the angels to guard you in all your ways. With their hands, they shall support you, lest you strike your foot against a stone. I claim these words of guidance. Light my path and remove all obstructions on the road, so that I may reach my destination in peace. Lord, may I always praise and thank you for being my real driver, bringing me safe and sound to where you want me to be. I ask through Christ your Son Jesus. Amen. The Driver's Prayer, courtesy of Father Larry Paraon OP, is yours for free. For your copy, just drive by our studio at 105.1 Crossover. Crossover has just presented Sounds of the Soul, 15 minutes of messages, whispers, and meanings with Father Larry Faraon. Sounds of the Soul.